Hare Krishna. Sri Ramanucharya explains what happens after mukti, what is something called Jivan Mukti. He says, person can be liberated from this Maya, illusory concepts, illusory world, even a person is alive in the same body, not just after death. Mukti can also happen while the person is living in the body. He gives example of coconut. The coconut, when it becomes suka, when it becomes dried up, inside the coconut there is a coconut pulp which moves. He gives this example as Jivan Mukta. And also, Sripad Ramanujacharya explains, even after mukti, person has his own individuality. Individuality of a living being, the spirit soul doesn't get vanished. The individuality of a living spirit, the spirit soul, is always eternal. That's why we have this Sanatana Dharma. After death there is a life. After mukti also there is an individuality continues in the service of the Lord. Hare Krishna.